What if I told you the cheaper version of a handheld gaming PC could outperform expectations and even challenge premium gaming rigs? Meet the GPD Win 5, powered by AMD's Ryzen AI Max 385. It's sleek, it's portable, and it just might redefine what budget performance means in 2025. GPD's Win 5 is the company's latest leap in handheld gaming, offering two configurations built around AMD's cutting-edge Strix Hello APUs. While the higher-end Ryzen AI Max Plus 395 grabs headlines, the spotlight today is on the more affordable 385, featuring a Radeon 8050S iGPU with 32 compute units. It's not the flagship, but as you'll see, it's a powerhouse in disguise. YouTuber ETA Prime put this device through its paces, and the results are impressive. Starting with Street Fighter 6 at 1080p medium and a modest 18-watt TDP, the Win 5 held a rock-solid 60 frames per second. Then came Spider-Man 2, a game that's notorious for punishing iGPUs. But at 1080p medium, 28 watts TDP, the Win 5 still swung through the city at an average of 74 FPS. And with frame generation on, a staggering 130 FPS. Next up, Forza Horizon 5. At 17 watts and medium settings, this pocket PC delivered over 100 FPS at full 1080p. Then came Cyberpunk 2077, the ultimate test. With FSR quality mode and visual set to high, the Win 5 averaged 91 FPS at 45 watts and stayed steady around 60 frames per second at 25 watts. That's desktop-level performance in a device that fits in your hands. Even the legendary Red Dead Redemption 2 ran smoothly, 75 FPS at 1080p, 45 watts, and no FSR magic required. Early builds of Doom: The Dark Ages and Borderlands 4 also ran with ease, showing that the Win 5's cooling and performance scaling are spot on. It's not just surviving, it's thriving across modern AAA titles. What's impressive isn't just the raw power, it's how efficient this device is. GPD's refined thermal system combined with AMD's advanced architecture keeps performance stable without frying your palms. The result, a true balance between performance, portability, and price. The Ryzen AI Max 385 may not wear the crown, but it's proving that you don't need the flagship chip to get flagship performance. With launch units shipping to Indiegogo backers this November, the GPD Win 5 is shaping up to be one of 2025's most exciting handhelds. If these numbers are any indication, the so-called budget version might just be the smarter buy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know which game you'd test first on the GPD Win 5.